guys. Ayan siya. Yung aming special sisig kapampangan para sa aming mga kaibigan. Ayan. Napakaswerte nila. Tapos mayroon pa silang kalamansi. Diba? Sharing is caring. Guys, happy Sunday! Sobrang haggard na ng itsura ko guys, 'di ba? Kanina gumagawa kami ng sisig ng husband ko. 'Di ba sabi ko nga, yung ginagawa namin sisig na yun is pang-share namin sa aming mga friends and neighbor dito. Ayun. Hinatid na namin yung iba dito sa mga kapitbahay namin. And after that, pag uwi namin at around 9:38 PM dito, grabe naka-receive ako ng email from Google AdSense and sinasabi niya na pinadala na daw yung aking PIN, di ba? Sobrang nakaka-happy yun, kaya yan. Ang bilis ng tibok ng aking puso kasi na-excite ako na overwhelming. Hindi pa man nasuklian na yung blessing na, di ba sinasabi ko nga, sharing is caring. So, yung blessing, umaapaw, dumarating siksik, liglig, umaapaw. So, yun. Sobrang nakaka-happy lang. Kaya yan, ipiplex ko lang. And I'll be expecting my pin sooner, diba? So, guys, thank you so much sa support nyo, guys. Love you all.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do a part 2, Krispy Kreme and / watching TV. And here we go.
Here we go, unboxing of our dinner for tonight. What's that?
Donuts.
Donuts. Krispy Kreme donuts. Duran. Ayan. Today is another cheat day. Yeah.
It's Sunday.
Yeah.
And we finish at church.
Yeah, we finished at church.
Yeah.
And we will be having our
Dinner.
cheat night. Right, Mark? Today is a cheat night for us, right?
Yeah.
It's
It's a special thing when it's like comes to slash, because we're gonna do Krispy Kreme / watching. So we're gonna watch Netflix. That's a movie, and we're gonna see how it goes.
Yes. And we're gonna show them what flavor did we choose from the Krispy Kreme donuts.
I didn't know all of them,
Yeah.
but I just
There's a
know this.
tiramisu there, a cheesecake, a Oreo, a
That's gonna
vanilla slice, and most of them are from Cadbury flavor, right? This one is from Cadbury.
What about this one?
This one is an Oreo. This one is a vanilla slice. And I'm
I
not
can
sure.
see the slice.
And this one is the tiramisu. Yeah.
I thought that's what
And that three is a
Peanut.
cheesecake flavor. That's right, yeah.
What about these three? Friends?
Are you going to share your donut with them?
Yes.
Oh, come
He's
on,
right now.
come on, invite them and
Come and invite us to eat and watch Netflix.
Okay.
Part 2.
You know, inupuan na niya, oh. Ay, inuna na niya yung kanyang Oreo. Yan, guys. Yung aming little baba. My master chef is going to make a sisig. Wow!
You almost got us caught, dirtbot.
Diba?
And apparently, okay, so we can access the security cameras by right-clicking dirtbot. I'm gonna test this. Now look, stop. Hey, you're running away from me. Stop it. Stop it.
Sisig pang Ayuda.
This is insane. I can't. Look, my hands are
Bago
in the
ng
air.
aking master chef.
Wait a minute.
Ito yung aming sisig, guys.
Yes. Why don't
Yung aming share the blessing. And ito yung aming pang-ayuda sa aming mga kaibigan. Ayan, share the blessing. Sunday's best. And still yung aming little baba ayun. Kinakarir niya yung Krispy Kreme while busy doing this, guys.
Yes, expecting, yes, lava parkour. Very nice. Yes. How are you still alive? Go away, Chuck E. Cheese.
We'll be needing the kalamansi. Which one? Ito. Ay, sa loob na rin. Sa loob, rep. Naka-plastic pa siya. Marinate ko rin pala yung chicken breast. Gawa tayo ng chicken na laking. You want chicken na laking, Mark? Lagi na lang yan. Wala ka naman tinatanggihan, di ba? Hindi. Konti lang. Ayan yung aming pork. Nakasalang na siya. Ayan, ang aming master chef. Diba? Sipag-sipag na. Tingnan nyo, guys. 15.99 na kilo. Ay, 5.99 na pala. Nag-bowling ako. Ang sweet nila, di ba?
Noob secret layer. Okay, I'm gonna take that. Where's my fish? Listen, I'm glad I got this piece of paper, but I want to know.
Sushi rice. May balak na naman.
No! I think get me out of here. I'm never doing that again. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Oh my god!
Ang cute nilang tingnan, di ba?
This is probably the best thing Noob has ever done. I would pay to if Noob just wore the shark fin on his head 24/7. I would pay to see that any day of the week. You are driving me crazy though, bro. All right, so I've got a new plan. What is it now?
Ayan, guys. May sibuyas na. Ayan yung pork. Ayan. Yung aking gwapong master chef. I'm so happy kasi it's his first time na pumayag siyang magpakita sa aking video. Diba? Nakita nyo na siya. Ang gwapo-gwapo. Pangmalakasan lang yung kanyang muscles. Then yung aming ate ayun busy. Ako taga-video lang. Siyempre. Rest day namin. Rest day ko pala. It's their turn. Hi! Ayun yung aking bunso. Hi ma'am daw sabi niya. Sisig. I don't know.
Rock and roll!
Silly guys. Iba talaga pag yung husband ko yung kasama kong gumagawa ng sisig. Ang bilis kasi yung muscles talaga niya is gumagana. Natawa tuloy si ate, si Angel. Minamani-mani lang niya tong pag-slice ng pork. Samantalang ako, inaabot ako ng siyam-siyam. Partial pa lang, guys. Meron pang kasunod. Ito siya. Nakasalang pa rin. Ayun. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. Ayan muna. And yung ating kalamansi is later na natin ihahalo yan. Watch out, guys. Yung sisig Kapampangan style. Ayan. Chicken liver na tayo. China-chop na nyo ng pinong-pino. And then, i-add na lang natin dito sa ating. Ayan. Konting kembot na lang, guys. Diba? Ang bilis niya. Ayan, guys. Andito na yung ating chicken liver. Ito na yung ating pork brain. Ang ating chicken salt. Salt and pepper to taste. And then, yung pinaka-last natin is yung ating kalamansi. Pepper. And then, yung ating kalamansi juice. Yan, guys. Pahahalo na lang natin kay Master Chef dahil mas kayang-kaya niya to. Our specialty. Sisig Kapampangan. Ala GHENG and Marcos style, diba? The famous Kapampangan sisig in town. Napakaswerte naman ang pagbibigyan namin to. Ayuda de Gracia. Sunday's best, Sunday's blessing. Ayan, guys. Hope you enjoyed our video for today. O, tama na daw. Sabi ng aking husband. Ganito na yung itsura niya. It looks so yummy. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. GHENG Kitchens Vlog. Don't forget to smash the like and click the notification bell button for more updates on our next videos, guys. So that's all. Have a good night and God bless and keep safe, everyone. Bye.